Hi, I have great news for sellers in Palm Beach County. Stay tuned to see what I'm talking about. Hi guys, this is Eddie Sua with Capital Group Realty, bringing you our monthly market update series. And this time is for the month of December 2019. Remember, we get the information from the Board of Realtors. Now, there is great news for the market in Palm Beach County as it continues to thrive in 2020. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. The median sales price has increased 5.6% to $364,000 for the median price. The active inventory has decreased 16%. That means that we need inventory. There's a shortage of inventory. Also, it's reflected in the month supplies of inventory, which is only 4.2 months. And the time to go to contract is only 43 days. Now, what does this mean for our sellers? That with the rise of the sales price and the shortage of inventory and the decline of listings that are coming up on the market, this is a good time to put the properties on the market. And if you're being on the fence about selling your home, we can definitely help you and provide you with a market analysis and information so that you can make an intelligent decision. Again, if we can be of any assistance, please call us at 561-213-7653 or email us at esua@cgrflorida.com. Thank you, and until next month.